Hey everyone, welcome back. We're working on the 98 TJ again today. We're going to be replacing the dead steering stabilizer. Now this looks to be the original one. Like I said, the truck only has like about 100,000 kilometers on it. And the shaking and the death wobble that this thing has is unlike anything I've ever seen before. I'll leave a link down below for the first introduction video to show you how bad the drive is of this truck. So this stabilizer replacement is long overdue. This is what I went with. I went with just a rough country OEM replacement. Now I got this for a really good price. That's pretty much why I went with it. This is it right here. It's nothing fancy. It'll get the job done for sure. Now this does come with mounting hardware and everything like that. So this should make life a lot easier. This is it right here. Definitely looks original. Look how torn up the boot is there. The bushing is destroyed as well. Look at the amount of rust on there. It's definitely needs to be replaced. We'll find out exactly how bad it is once we get it off. But this here is a 19 mil. This here is a 17. And I already got that one off over there. That is a 15 millimeter for the head of the bolt and 18 for the nut. Take a look at the difference between the two stabilizers. Obviously that's a new one. This old one over here is, she's completely dead. She ain't coming back up from that, that's for sure. Even the bushings, completely shot. Definitely long overdue. So down here, before we put the new one in, just wanted to point out that I could not get this hole down out of this steering assembly here. I didn't want to risk bending it because I believe these are hollow on the inside. So I'm going to leave this in place. I'm going to clean up all the rust and everything like that and leave the existing mounting hardware and then just bolt up onto that side. So the idea is once this strap comes out, going to want to raise up and it'll be pretty hard to keep compressed. Going to route it in that side first over there, then stretch it over and put it into the old hole down over there. Here is the finished product. So things didn't go as I planned, especially over here because I couldn't get that pin out. So rather than risking damaging the rest of the steering linkage, I ended up just taking it out from the top here, undid this bolt, pried this right off. Over that side, it was no problem. And unfortunately, if you run into that situation, it still holds fine. It's just, I don't always like putting new parts on old rusty parts, but you can see, look at this truck. It's got new stuff on old rusty stuff all over, so I'm not going to sweat it. And that's the finale of the steering stabilizer installation. It didn't go as I planned, but oh well, it's done. You know, once I get the actual wheels back on, I'll road test it and see how it is. Thanks for watching. Please check back soon for more videos.